Ndewo, kekime. Aha m bụ Ijeọma, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. So taa ihe anyị ga-ekwu maka ya bụ ịhụnanya. Okay, o teela anụ chọrọ ịnụ maka ịhụnanya. Okay, ịhụnanya bụ love. Okay, I've had so many requests. I love you, I like you, or sort of people looking for names to call like their husbands and wives. Okay, so taa anyị ga-eme 10 Igbo phrases, okay, related to love. Okay, gwa ka anyị bido. Oh, well, that's not love actually. Hụrụ gị n'anya, that's I love you, okay? Hụrụ gị n'anya, I love you. Ihe gị na-amasị m, I like you. Ihe gị na-amasị m, I like you, okay? And of course, if you now want to talk about another person, you just change the pronouns. So, hụrụ ya n'anya, I love him, I love her. Ihe ya na-amasị m, I like her, I like him. Okay? Agụụ gị na-agụ m, I miss you. Agụụ gị na-agụ m, I miss you. Okay? Then I missed you, the past tense is agụụ gị gụrụ m. Agụụ gị gụrụ m, I missed you. Okay? And before actually I leave, I love you too. I forgot to say how to say I love you too. Hụkwara gị n'anya. So, hụrụ gị n'anya is I love you. Hụkwara gị n'anya, I love you too. Okay? I love you more. Hụrụ gị n'anya karịa. Hụrụ gị n'anya karịa. And then, of course, the other things that you tell people that you love, like you're beautiful, you're handsome. So, makazị. So, makazị means you're beautiful, like today. Not that they're not beautiful all the time, but like they're exceptionally beautiful, like now. Makazị. Okay? Ịmara mma na-ese okwu. So, that's usually pertaining to girls. Okay? It's like you're really, really, really beautiful. Ịmara mma na-ese okwu. Okay? And then for your partners and husbands, the endearments that you can call them. So, Dimoma is my dear husband, okay? Dimoma, or Ezigbo Dimoma, which is like the best husband. Ezigbo Dimoma. Nkem is mine, okay? Nkem is a name that we use quite commonly in the Igbo language. It's kind of as common to the Igbo language as you have like sweetheart, okay? Nkem, but what it means is mine. Nkem. Obim, Obim is my heart. Obim. Ọdịmnobi, again, similar to Obim, my heart, okay? Ọdịmnobi. And then there are other words that you can use, which is not strictly for your partners, but you can use it for them, okay? Things like, it's more than 10 now, I'm sure, but you can use things like Nwokeọma, Nwanyịọma, okay? So Nwokeọma means a good man. Nwanyịọma, a good woman. And then there are Igbo titles. You know, Igbos, we like titles, and some of these titles, you can use them as endearments. Things like Ugegbe, 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 okay? If you listen to flavor songs, you will hear a lot of it. Actually, if you're just looking for endearments, especially for women, just go listen to flavor songs, you will hear them. Ugegbe, Ugegbe, Aṅụlịdiya, Obidiya, Ifenkili. All those things are kind of titles that we give women, but they are really beautifying women. Like Aṅụlịdiya means the husband's joy. Aṅụlịdiya. Ugegbe, it means a mirror. Ugegbe, a mirror. Not sure why it should be an endearment, but apparently we love mirrors. So Ugegbe. Obidiya is the husband's heart. Obidiya. Ifenkili means something that's pleasing to the eyes for us to look at. Okay. isi ahụkwara m gị n'anya. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Yeah, spell ọfụma, you did right. Spelling ya dị correct. Isi. Daalụ. Okay. In nwere ajụjụ isi or anybody? If not, this is what I have for you today. Already is more than 10. But these are phrases related to talking about love in Igbo. Okay? So, because none of me are live, I can there again a description. Okay? There is a comment on a description. And you see the Gurani one already, which is I love you. Okay? I'm going to call you. Catch your phone, Cody.